Hallo alle zusammen, ich heiße Abhishek und today we will learn the cases in German. So there are 4 cases in German, Kasus, that is cases. So the first one is nominative, the second one is accusative, nominative, accusative, third one is dative, dative, and the fourth one is genitive. So these are the 4 cases of German languages. In German language, German grammar. So the first one is nominative. So the nominative is the basic noun, basic German case that describe the subject of any sentences. So the nominative, this one is the sentence of nominative sentence. So their man is good. The man is good. So their man is our subject in this sentence. The man is good. So the man is subject in our sentences. So this their man is in nominative, and this one is subject. So subject basically always in nominative case. Ist, this one is verb and this one is extra information. So their man is good. Same here. Die Frau ist schön. The girl or the lady is beautiful. The lady is beautiful. So die Frau is our subject, and as we know that the subject always in nominative case. So this is in nominative casus. Die Frau ist schön. The lady is beautiful. Das Mädchen ist weiß. Weiß. The girl child is white. Weiß is white. White. So das Mädchen is our subject, and the subject is in nominative casus. Vielen Dank.